Hi there! In this video, I will guide you on how to create a CoinGecko account, so please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you track, trade, and list coins easily. So first, you will have to go to CoinGecko.com and go ahead and click this green button right here, which is sign up, and just go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you can either choose from continue with Google or continue with Apple if you're using iOS, or you can continue with email, and then you will just have to enter your email, your username, and your password, and then you will just have to agree to the terms of service and click create account. And then yeah, that's basically it. And then you will verify your email by clicking the link that is sent to your inbox. Then after that, you will just have to log in to start using your CoinGecko account. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.